The way we've listened to music in the home has changed a lot in recent years. Whereas once we would have a CD player and a big stack of CDs, now everything's stored digitally so we can listen to it from our smartphones. Now traditionally we might have used a docking station for our phone. The problem with having one of these in the kitchen is that for a start it takes up quite a lot of space on the countertop. It's also got lots of wires and cables and you can get into a bit of a tangle. Another issue is, if you wanted to change your phone, you might find the connector changes, so when you try to dock it, it no longer fits, so you can't use it anymore, which is a bit of a disaster. And finally, if you wanted to multitask, say you wanted to browse for a recipe while you were cooking, you'd have to take the phone out of the dock, therefore ending your musical experience. Now there is a great solution to this problem, and it involves Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a really easy way to connect my smartphone to my speaker. It doesn't involve any wires or cables, doesn't need a passcode. All I need to do is open Bluetooth on my phone, pair it up with a speaker, and I'm away and listening to my tunes. Now Magnet has just launched a new sound unit just for that purpose, so let's take a look at it. Now there are several things I love about this speaker. The first is that it's seamlessly integrated into the kitchen. It's taking up no space on your countertop, so you've got more area for preparation. The next thing is, this grill is easily removable. It's attached by magnets, so you can take it off and clean it from all the grease and grime that tends to build up in a kitchen. And thirdly, if you've got guests coming over for a dinner party and they really want to play you one of their favourite new tracks, it's really easy for them to log into the speaker via Bluetooth, and then you can all listen to those tunes together. And of course, it sounds really great.